everyone. So, meron lang tayong new updates sa manual order form. So, here's a walkthrough and guide on how to use it. No? So, instead of the Excel file, meron tayong link which can be found sa resources natin sa Mod Factory. So, we can just wait for it to load a bit. Okay, so essentially, habang inaantay ko lang mag-load kung saan siya mahanap sa website, let me run you through how to complete the form, no? So, itong wholesale order form natin or manual order form, para dito natin ilalagay yung name ni customer. Design name should be the same design name kung ano yung nakalagay sa Google Drive folder nyo. Quantity, kung ilang piraso of this specific item. Product SKU, kung anong product SKU. You can also see yung product SKUs natin sa website. Okay, quantity, phone number ni recipient or ni customer, complete address ni recipient, province, city of the recipient also, total order value or yung total na kailangan bayaran ni customer pag receive niya. This is important, especially if cash on delivery yung payment method. So, pag cash on delivery yung payment method, lagay lang yung financial status as pending. Kapag other naman, GCash, bank deposit, or any other bank or any other online payments, like pakilagay na lang as paid na. All right. So, ayun. No? So, you can always add a row depending on the number of items that you want to order. Okay. All right. So, after na fill out na yung mga details dito, kailangan natin ilagay dito yung brand name, your email, and then your phone number just in case meron kayong mga so we need your email and phone number para ma-recognize namin kung kanino nanggagaling yung order. And if ever may problema, we can always reach out and send you a message. No? So, ayan. Makikita natin dito kung ano yung total ng kailangan natin bayaran dito sa product breakdown under sa order summary section. No? So, yeah, lalabas yan kapag... So, ang breakdown nito is yung total na babayaran for the orders na non-cash on delivery. So, yung mga paid na. For cash on delivery, kami kasi yung tatanggap ng payment and i-reimburse lang namin sa inyo. So, ito yung payment lang for non-COD. So, ayan. So, as we can see, this is for extra small black ProCorp inspired t-shirt. It's 320 pesos. And then, lalagyan natin yung address. Yan. Tapos malalagyan tayo ng shipping fee. Ayan. So, once na-fill out na natin yan, lagay natin yung details. Kung ari, okay, lagyan lang natin some details here. No? So, itong shipping fee pala, it depends on the number of unique addresses. So, if the customer has the same address, isang shipping fee lang yun. Okay, so phone number. Once that's, you just click submit order. Antayin nyo lang siya mag-load. Yan. Tapos click nyo lang yung okay, and then mabubuksan yung payment link ng total na kailangan i-order. So 420, you just press 420, 420 for the amount, and then your brand names, and then proceed to check out. And then you can pay via credit card, online payment, GCash, or etc. etc. Ayan. So where can we find this? So first, yung product SKUs, dito sa resources, product SKUs. Ayan. So para makita niyo yung picture of the products. And then to find the link, you can go to the Mod Factory Definitive Guidebook. And then punta tayo sa other sales channels. And here, it's this link right here, no? Para ba makuha natin yung wholesale order form where we can order. All right, ayun lang. If you have any questions, please feel free to reach out to us. All right, thank you.